Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Chioma and the name of my channel is Igbo Academy. Today we are going to talk about ịkpọgasị haha. That's the name of objects that we see around us. We are going to focus on the name of objects in our houses, in our homes, which is ihe a na-ahụ, things you see at home, ihe a na-ahụ n'ụlọ or n'ezinụlọ, ihe a na-ahụ ịkpọgasị ihe aha, ihe a na-ahụ n'ezinụlọ. Then we are going to name 10 things that we see at home, 10 ihe a na-ahụ n'ezinụlọ, 10 ihe a na-ahụ na class. That's 10 things we see in the class, and 10 ihe a na-ahụ n'usekwu. Usekwu is kitchen. 10 things that you can see in your kitchen. So now we are going to start with 10 things that we can see in our houses. That's ihe iri anyị na-ahụ n'ezinụlọ. Number 1 is igbe, and igbe is box. Igbe, box. Then we have aqua. The second one is aqua. Aqua is clothes. Then we have ekwentị. Ekwentị is the phone that you use in making call. Then you have aqua. And aqua means bed for lying down. Then you have mbo. Mbo means comb, the comb you use in combing your hair. Then we have G is yam. They are the things you can see at home. Then you have okoko. Okoko is chicken that you see around in your compound. Then you have ewu. Ewu is goat. Then you have ihe onyonyo. Ihe onyonyo is television. Ihe onyonyo. Then you have ntuoyi. Ntuoyi is your air conditioner. Air conditioner is what you call ntuoyi. Then you have igbe ntuoyi. That's a box that cools. Igbe ntuoyi. And igbe ntuoyi is your refrigerator. I don't know if I've counted up to 10. Then you have ewu. Okay, I've said ewu. You have nkita. Nkita is dog. We all know that we can see the things we see in our houses. Now we go to ihe a na-ahụ na class. Ihe a na-ahụ na class. Ihe a na-ahụ na class is, number 1 is the blackboard, and it is called mgboji, blackboard. Number 2 is the table, and the table is called tebulu. Number 3 is bell, and the bell is called mgberengba. Number 4 is akpa. That's bag. Number 4 is bag, and bag is called akpa. Number 5 is a football, and the football is called ball. Number 6 is pencil. pencil, and pencil is called ịkpọgasị. Then number 7 is door. The number 7th thing we see in our classroom is door, and it is called ụzọ. That is what you call the door. Number 8 is chair, and you call chair oche. Number 9 is your book, and you call the book akwụkwọ. Number 10 is your biro, or your biro, yes. The biro is called mkpịsị odee. So that is that for the objects you can see in your class. That's ihe a na-ahụ na class. Then next is ihe a na-ahụ n'usekwu. Objects that you find in the kitchen. Ihe a na-ahụ n'usekwu, and they are 1 iko. Let me start from eku, and eku is your stove. Number 1, eku means stove. Number 2, ngaji. The ngaji is the spoon you use in eating your food. The spoon you use in eating your food is what you call ngaji. Then 3, the fork, and it is called ngajieze. That's fork used in eating. Then number 4 is the wooden spatula used in turning something on the fire. The wooden spatula, and it is called eku. You use it in turning gari, in turning semovita, and the rest. Then number 5 is mortar. The mortar you use in pounding, and it is called ikwe. The mortar you use in pounding is called ikwe. Then number 6 is the pestle. The pestle we use in pounding is called odo or akodo. That's pestle. The number 7 is the plates. The plate is called efere in Igbo language. Efere. Number 7 is efere. Number 8 is the knife, and the knife is called mma. The knife is called mma. Number 8 is the pot. The pot you use in cooking your food is called ite. Number 9 is ite, that's pot. And number 10 is cup. The cup you use in drinking water, and it is called iko. So that's that for the ịkpọgasị ha. Ihe a na-ahụ na ezinụlọ, ihe a na-ahụ na class, ihe a na-ahụ na usekwu. Ihe a na-ahụ na ezinụlọ is your home, class is your classroom, and usekwu is your kitchen. That will be all for today, or for now. So now we are going over to your homework. You know, last week we talked about, in the last 2 episodes, we talked about the things, the ABCD in Igbo language. That's the Igbo. We talked about the Udaume and Ubochume and how they are being divided further. But this week I just want it to be light. Let's just learn the names of things, or the names that things are being called, so that we will divert ourselves, our attentions from what we've been learning since. But later we are still going to go back. So now your homework for this lesson is to give me 5 depụtara or kọwapụta ihe anọ a na-ahụ n'ezinụlọ. Ịkọwapụta ihe anọ a na-ahụ n'ezinụlọ. That's, write 4 things you see in the house. Write 4 things you see in the house. Then number 2, kọwapụta ihe anọ a na-ahụ na class. Kọwapụta ihe anọ a na-ahụ na class. Then it means in English, write 4 things you see in the classroom. Write 4 things you see in the classroom. Then the third question is, kọwapụta ihe anọ ị na-ahụ na usekwu. Kọwapụta ihe anọ ị na-ahụ n'usekwu. That is, write 4 things you see in the kitchen. Write 4 things you see in the kitchen. So that will be all for now. I hope this class is fun and you learn all these small things, Igbo things. With time, you'll be a pro in Igbo language. Thank you very much and do have a nice day. Bye. Kemesia, Kodibazia.